5 of the 6 Sunshine Girls who recently played in Australia's Suncorp Super Netball League have been named in Jamaica's 12-member squad for this summer's Commonwealth Games. Meanwhile, the Sunshine Girls have gotten a major sponsorship boost ahead of the Commonwealth Games.
Experienced goalkeeper Shamera Sterling-Humphrey has been appointed captain of Jamaica's 12-member squad for this summer's Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Scotland. Sterling-Humphrey will have Shanice Beckford and Latanya Wilson as vice-captains. The squad is completed by experienced campaigners Romelda Aiken-George, Katie Ann Dehaney, Jodie Ann Ward and Nicole Dixon-Rochester, in addition to Crystal Plummer and Abigail Sutherland, as well as the overseas-based trio of Bree Grierson, Rhea Dixon and Azara Wilmot. It's understood that an invitation was extended to goal shooter Shimona Nelson, but she made herself unavailable. 12 countries will battle in the netball competition starting July 25. The Sunshine Girls, who will compete in Pool B alongside New Zealand, Wales, Uganda, Trinidad and Tobago and Scotland, will open their campaign against Uganda on July 27. The Sunshine Girls recorded Jamaica's best ever finish in netball at the Commonwealth Games by capturing the silver medal at the last edition 4 years ago in Birmingham, England.
We're hoping that we can improve on that performance. It's going to take a lot, or even settle the store in terms of where we were the last Commonwealth Games. But we're happy, that we're able to compete against the best in the world. I mean, our girls are doing extremely well, and we're just hoping to have our camp in Durham to get things on the way with our players that were overseas who has not been able to train with us.
The local-based Sunshine Girls will leave on Friday for a training camp in Durham, England. This summer's Commonwealth Games will run from July 23 to August 2. Meanwhile, Netball Jamaica and the Sunshine Girls have gotten a major financial boost with a $20 million injection in cash and kind over 2 years from the Carimed Group through its brand Kendall, which is now a new major sponsor of the program. President of Netball Jamaica, Karen Bowe, says the Kendall partnership has arrived at a critical point in the team's journey.
We've just come out of 2 residential camps for the teams where, food is premium. We have to give the girls proper nutrition. So going forward, we know that a part of that expense will be covered by Kendall and by the brands that they represent, that the girls will also get support for vitamins, for pain care. And so today has really been an awesome day in terms of partnership.
Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.